with KLBK's first warning weather.
Today has been one sunny day across the South Plains, and looking out your window, it didn't seem so bad. So take a look out our window. This is right outside the sky cam up top of the tower, where it looks absolutely gorgeous. You know, this morning we started out, we had some dark skies, clear conditions all day long. Doesn't look so bad. No rolling dust, dirt in the area. But you know what? We still had those high wind speeds. Yes, we have been clear all day, but the winds have really been pushing their way through. And with that being said, the winds have pushed through and caused quite a bit of disturbance as anticipated over towards East Texas, pushing over towards Little Rock, Arkansas. This long linear line is thanks to the system that came through the South Plains, giving us high wind speeds yesterday. Temperatures right now sitting pretty nice. We're looking at 88 degrees down to the south, 90 down towards Laredo. We go down towards Corpus Christi at 78 degrees. And you know what? We're even warmer here in the South Plains. We're at 80 degrees. So West Texas winds, they help us out, making us feel a little bit more like spring into summer. We're coming in at 82 in Turkey, 81 in Roaring Springs, down towards Snyder, a hot 86 degrees. Now we still are dealing with a slight cooling trend right along the Texas-New Mexico state line. I say cooling lightly because we're still in the 70s and it feels fantastic outside. Winds are allowing us to feel so warm, and yes, they are not always the best company to warm weather, but hey, we got warm today. Right now we're still dealing with those winds coming in strictly out of the west, so they're dry winds, 20 miles per hour in Dora and 18 over in Morton. Friona coming in at 22. Check out Clovis, 29 miles an hour. Right here in the hub, we are at 23, down towards Tahoka at 15 miles per hour. Down to the south, such as down into Snyder, where we're at one of the warmest temperatures all on the map. We're only at a small 7 miles per hour. Now, these West Texas winds, they will begin to decrease as we head into the overnight hours. But by tomorrow morning, early morning, maybe you're one of those runners, you want to make sure the wind's to your back, especially in the early morning. We're looking for those wind speeds to be sustained around 25 to 30 miles per hour in the early morning hours. But check it out. They're coming in out of the southwest, so we will be getting some nice conditions. It won't be nearly as dry as what we did see earlier on today, but definitely it's going to be windy. And of course, things always change up as we head further into the rest of the forecast. Winds are going to be coming in out of the west-southwest as we push further into Wednesday afternoon, continuing to stay with that summer trend of high West Texas winds. So remember, it's going to be another windy day, another skirt alert for you on your Wednesday, and that skirt alert continues on into Thursday. Check it out. It's going to be one of the highest wind days we have seen thus far. This is the day to look out for when it comes to a lot of blowing dust, blowing dirt, and low visibilities. Wind speeds will be sustained around 30 to even 35 miles per hour. We'll have gusts in the 50s. So Thursday's one of those days, bring everything inside. That's not saying the other days aren't going to be windy, because they are, but Thursday's going to be the highest wind speeds that we anticipate for the week. As far as seeing any amount of precipitation, well, we're staying clear, but notice we are trying to pick up a few slight little bitty showers down to the south by early Wednesday. This is going to be down towards Snyder, but as far as all the South Plains seeing rainfall, we're not going to be dealing with that. This is a situation when it comes to the dry line, so all of that's going to eventually push its way and strengthen as it pushes further off towards the east. It's actually going to cause severe weather. We already have been advised by the SPC that we are indicating some potential tornadic activity. So if you are traveling eastward, note to self, make sure you continue to stay weather aware and stay with the local meteorologist in the area you are going to be traveling to. Tomorrow, a gorgeous day for us. We will be in the 40s for the low, 43 degrees, but check it out. We are doubling in temperature by the afternoon, 86 degrees, and you can think the West Texas winds, a lot of sunshine, breezy at times, obviously. We will be dealing with patchy dust in the air, but our big day of low visibilities again is looking to be on Thursday. Temperatures for Wednesday continue to stay in the 80s, 85 degrees. In fact, we'll be flirting with the 80s on into Thursday. Then a front begins to push its way through. This cold front is going to lower the temperatures in the 60s. Still very nice and mild, but check it out. Saturday, we are going to be putting a 10% chance of rainfall. I'm being on the conservative side. Right now, all models are leading to rainfall. Of course, we ask for all you guys to continue to pray for rain because we need the rainfall, and model runs are indicating that we could be dealing with rain not only Saturday but into Sunday. So continue to stay weather aware, and of course continue to stay right here with KLBK. Download the app so you can continue to track the radar with us. We do have a brand new weather app. Just search for KLBK Weather in your app store. It is free. It is awesome, and we want your feedback. If you see something on the app, you want to see something different, all you have to do is let us know, and it has a button on there you just press take a picture, send it to us so we can get your photos live on TV. But remember,
pretty cool.
Stay safe as you take those photos. Don't get out there. I know everyone wants to get that perfect weather shot. Leave it to the professionals. But we want to see your photos. Say you get some rainfall in your backyard. Take the photo. If you got some cool clouds, we want to see them.
All right.
Sounds good.
Thanks so much, Nikki-Dee. We appreciate that.